J fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on how to color your lashes, then stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how I make my color lashes. I tried the other way that was viral on TikTok where you use concealer. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box. But let's just say I wasn't a fan, but I love the idea of changing the color of lashes because usually they're black or brown. So I wanted to see if there was an easier way to change it to where they're not clumpy or where they're still fluffy but just a different color. And I have found a way. So I'm going to show you guys that. So what you need, some eyeshadow primer. I don't know about other eyeshadow primers, but this one works really good. This is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. I love this stuff. I think you want a primer that has a little bit of a white tint, a little bit of cream, something that's gonna whiten it out a little bit and to dry fast. So this one is perfect in my opinion, so I'm gonna be using this one. You could try other primers, but I don't know if it's gonna work as good as this one. So I recommend that primer for this situation. Then you want to get some lashes. These are Dwai Lashes in 1998. That's what they look like. Super pretty, cute. Then you want a spoolie. This is spoolie. You want to get a spoolie to brush it out. Then you also want like an eyeshadow brush to put the powder on top of the lashes. Then you want an eyeshadow palette. I'll be using the 9T palette by Morphe just because there's different brown shades that I kind of want to try. I'm going for like a brown look today, so I'm gonna try brown lashes. So first step is to take out your lashes. It doesn't really matter if you trim them before or after, so that doesn't matter. But what you need is your primer now. So you're taking some primer and just coat the lashes. Just completely coat the lash. So you want it to be completely coated. See how it has like a cream tint? That's what you want. You want it to have like a cream tint or a white tint, something like that. Now you're gonna take a spoolie. You gotta work fast because this dries pretty fast. Taking a spoolie and just brushing it through, just to make sure there's no clumps and it stays fluffy. So like that. Now, continuing to move fast, you pick your colors. I'm gonna pick these two colors, this one and this one. These two. Saturate your brush. And then, oops. And I just pack it on. So that's what it looks like. Completely different already. But now you want to take it out the container. Flip it over because you have to get the other side now. So then you take it, flip it over, put it back in there. So it looks like that. Go back in and repeat those steps. So you're gonna go in with some primer, coat the lash, Then going in with the spoolie to brush it through. Oh, I could have did white lashes. Okay, anyways, I'm going in with the spoolie just to brush it through. See how nice and blended it is already? It's still fluffy. That's what you want, is for it to be fluffy. Going in with the eyeshadow and packing it on. Just loading your brush up and just packing. Once it's nice and packed on there, you could already see the crazy color difference from brown to black. So now I'm gonna go back in with the spoolie just to make sure there's no clumps or anything and just comb it out. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other lash off camera. This is the difference, the comparison between the two, brown and then black. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and then we'll go ahead and apply them. Alright, so this is them on. This is a final look. So they're very fluffy. Very lightweight. Pigmented, I say yes. Compared to darker lashes, this is a huge difference. So yeah, this is my little hack that I found. If someone else did this, I didn't know, but this is what I came up with. I have literally done a bunch of other colors because I was so excited and happy for this. I did red, blue, and I want to do white next because I have an idea for that now. I like this hack because not only is it lightweight, it's still fluffy, pigmented, but it's also affordable unless you don't have, you know, eyeshadow primer. If you don't have this, then it is kind of pricey, I guess, because that costs around like $25 maybe. But it lasts very long. It's worth it. You could do a bunch of different colors. Yeah, so this is an easy, affordable, pigmented way to color your lashes and keep them fluffy and looking good. So yeah, but yeah, this is it. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.